Thanksgiving! Happy freaking holidays, you guys. I'm getting ready for the day and I'm going to my grandparents' house, which is so freaking exciting for me because last year I remember being so sad. I was the only one that spent Thanksgiving alone in my studio apartment in LA while everyone else was together, and I really tried to be a tough gal, but it was hard. It was really hard. So I told myself I would never, ever, ever take things like family and holidays and the opportunity to have dinner with them on Thanksgiving ever again. I don't want to take that for granted. So we're about to leave here in a bit. It's about a 2-hour drive from here, and then I'm going to be reunited with my whole family. But I did do some shopping yesterday. I had ran to Sephora and I got some new lifting shoes, but those are in my car, so I'll probably show those to you guys tomorrow when I go to the gym because it's Thanksgiving and the gym is closed. Not that I'd be going to the gym anyway. I'm about to enjoy myself today with my food. But I did pick up some basics, and I don't know about you guys, but I definitely ran out of like literally everything at the same time. So my bank account was like not happy. But I did get a lot of stuff from Ole Henriksen, which is a brand that I absolutely love, and I love the products and the different type of products for different types of skin. So I actually use this under my makeup today, and it's the Banana Bright Face Primer. This I've been using for a while. I feel like it's the best face primer for me and my sensitive acne prone skin. A lot of primers tend to really clog my pores and cause more breakouts for me because they tend to be more like silicone based that clog the pores to make it look smooth, right? So because this is a skincare brand, I just feel like it works the best for me, and it has vitamin C in it. It smells so good. Like this whole line smells incredible. I had a small size of it, used it all up a little bit. Definitely goes a long way. So if you're looking for a really good face primer, love this, highly recommend. And it definitely does brighten up my skin, and it gives me a smooth base, and I notice a difference when I do use this and then when I apply makeup without it. So I'll put links down below for you guys. I also needed a new eye cream, and I don't play about my eye cream, okay? I'm so religious with eye cream, and this is something that I don't mind trying different brands and switching it up whenever I do run out of a product. So this one is the Banana Bright Eye Cream, also from Ole Henriksen. And I've tried this before and I remember really loving it, so I went back to it. And I'm really excited. I've been using the Fresh eye cream, so I thought I would just switch things up. Sorry for the music. I also needed a new cleanser. I have picked up a travel size for like a Vegas vacation, and I really loved how it removed all my makeup, and it actually lathers, and also the smell is just amazing. So this one is the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. This is awesome for acne prone skin and also sensitive skin. So I've also used this before in the past, and I really loved it, and you get so much product, you guys. So the fact that like all these go together, it just made sense for me to get them all. So I highly recommend this cleanser as well, and it also has PHAs. It says cleanses and removes makeup. That makes sense as to why I don't need to really use makeup wipe even with eyeliner. I got another thing. I got something else from this collection. This is the Ole Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Double Cream. So I ran out of my moisturizer, and I was using the CEO by Sunday Riley. That one also has vitamin C. It's very thick, and they also do a gel version to this, so if you have more oily skin, you might want to try that out. I've used this before and I really liked it. So for like nighttime use, I think this will be a great cream for me. For the daytime, I've been reaching for my Glow Recipe Watermelon moisturizer. It's very gel-like, very light, but I feel like it's doing something for, like, my skin has just been looking so good, and I'll get into that later in the vlog. But the skincare products, the vitamins, the water, the supplements, everything is just on point. So I've just been trying new things, and I feel like they're working for me. I also snatched a re-up of my translucent powder. This is just a basic. Okay, this is the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I have the Huda Beauty bakery, whatever the heck. I don't like the packaging. It is so messy. So I'm just trying to use that up so I can go back to this. I do like the powder. It's just the packaging is not my favorite. So don't think I'll repurchase that. And then the last thing I got is a little Dior, little bougie something. This is the Dior lip glow, and I love this. This is definitely something that I like for like gym because it adds a little tint but also moisturizes the lips. So I got this in 001, which is just the pink color. And if you want like a cheaper alternative to this, I've been using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Lip Balm, and it tastes amazing, and it actually tints my lips so they don't look dead. This one is just very like pale in color. I have lipstick on, so I'm not going to put it on, but a little bit of luxury in my life. I love this, and they also do other colors, and it comes in clear as well. Yeah, it's just like a custom color, so I guess it adjusts to each person. I don't know. Sounds like BS to me, but that's my little bit of a Sephora haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. We're gonna go have some Thanksgiving festivities. We're gonna enjoy ourselves, eat some good food. So I'm gonna have like lots of protein today. My hacks, I guess, for Thanksgiving is enjoy myself, eat what I want. Definitely gonna have some type of dessert. I'm hoping we have cherry pie. Those tend to be on the vegan side, or at least dairy free. I'm 100% dairy free, so like I said, my grandma made some special mashed potatoes. I'll definitely be loading up on the like vegetables, like the beans, green beans I think she made, and lots of protein. So I'm definitely gonna reach for the turkey and load up on that. Staying clear of things that I obviously can't have, and enjoy like the mac and cheese. I haven't had mac and cheese, you guys, in my grandma's mac and cheese. I eat vegan mac, but my grandma's mac and cheese in like 6 years. Oh girl, it's hard out here when you don't eat dairy. You really gotta sacrifice some things, but that's just personal choices. So yeah, I guess I'll show you guys my food, I guess, how I'm doing Thanksgiving. I'm not gonna be like, oh my gosh, I'm gonna regret this tomorrow. No, you need to enjoy yourself, you know? Enjoy your family time, enjoy the conversations, enjoy the moments and the memories while they're here, and not attach regret towards a plate of food. Like, no, we're not doing that. We're not doing that on this journey. So I just wanted to pop in and give a like good morning intro for the video today. Work officially doesn't stop for me. I'm actually gonna go film an Instagram for a brand before I do head out, and I'm gonna actually go make some breakfast because protein. Okay, I cannot show up to my grandma's and be in the car for 2 hours hangry. Okay, I'm gonna bring some snacks with me. It's gonna be a great time. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys here in a bit. Bye. I'm so happy that I'm able to be here this year. It's my outfit, by the way. I'm throwing this bodysuit away. It is like super cheapy deepy. It's like peeling on me. This is the last wear it's gonna get. I think it's from like Misguided. The jeans are also from Misguided. Always eating. I'm just taste testing some food.
Oh, hello, Papa.
Try to get it right, might get a couple wrong. I just double back, and then I move along. I might hit a left, whoa, then I keep it going. I'ma catch my breath, keep it going till the morning. Put in the work, I made it look easy. Been in the dirt, think it's my season. What is he doing? I got my reasons. I got my reasons. I know you're with me, G.
Not my grandpa giving the turkey to the cats. Shooting hoops. We always do this. Shoot some hoops while we wait. My grandma's the sweetest lady, let me just say. She pulled out the stick of Earth Balance vegan butter. She says, Kayla, can you eat this? I said, Grandma, you gonna make Thanksgiving with vegan butter just for me? It really is the little things. And I wanted to cry. She even bought almond milk. I'm just very thankful to be around family right now. And my grandpa said we're gonna go for a walk, so we're gonna go to a park, and I think we're gonna bring the basketball. Ooh, going a little too fast. Bring the basketball, shoot some hoops up there, and enjoy the rest of today. It is so nice. I think it's like 67 out, which is weather so bipolar for it to be the end of November. Like, I don't even have a jacket on right now. I'm just chilling, so I'm not complaining. But it's nice to be in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by your fam. So happy holidays to you guys. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys did for Thanksgiving. And like I said, like, I'm not counting calories today. I'm just gonna eat whatever I want to eat. I'm gonna load up on my carbs. Okay, we're gonna have all the freaking carbs today. Mashed potatoes, stuffing. I've been eating and snacking on turkey. I've just been taste testing it, you know. And Ritz crackers. Like, I don't care. We should be enjoying ourselves, especially when it's a holiday filled with love, you know. We'll get back to the other stuff, the fit girl stuff, later, aka tomorrow when the gyms are open. And I'll show you guys what I'll be doing to have that proper balance in my life. But just wanted to pop in and let you guys know. I don't typically vlog a lot, honestly, but today I just felt like I wanted to, for memories, I guess. And my brother's here too, by the way, so we've just been catching up. I don't even know how this lighting looks. I even put a weave in my hair, try to look presentable for my grandparents. Why my grandpa? He said, I like that. Your hair down instead of that little knot on your Now my grandpa roasting me. I love it though, I don't mind. Ooh, I want to cry. I'm just so happy right now, but whew. Loving life, you guys. We out here. Oh my god, y'all, I just had Thanksgiving. I had seconds of potatoes, and the stuffing was my personal fave, so I just kind of mixed them together, and now I have a food baby. Yes, I should have shut up in sweatpants, but carb overload definitely went down today. I'm not even mad. I'm about to save some room for some pie. Oh my gosh, you guys, post Thanksgiving. So I woke up today happy. Did I regret anything that I ate? Absolutely not. So I wanted to pop in and let you guys know that Blessed and EHP Labs are still doing their Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale. Basically, the more that you buy, the more that you can save. They do some really good bundles right now on my favorite supplements, and the website is up to 60% off. So I wanted to share with you guys some of the deals that you can get. So I'll put the link down below, and if you guys want to save additional money on top of the existing Black Friday Cyber Monday sale, you can use my code K10 to save at checkout. So you guys know I love the Blessed protein, and they're doing a bundle of sorry, these are huge. They're 30 servings each, so you can get 3 proteins together in a bundle at a great price. And my favorite flavors are the banana bread, so I recommend getting that. It's so good if you guys like bananas. The s'mores is my favorite as well, and I'm also really liking their churro. So very dessert tasting flavors, and I think they're all amazing on their own. I just like to mix it with vanilla oat milk in a shaker bottle, but you could also make these into smoothies as well if you guys choose to. So this is such a good deal, and if you've been wanting to try Blessed and you hear me talk about it all the time, you always see me using the products and taking them in my routine, now is definitely the time, especially if there's a bunch of flavors that you've been wanting to try as well. Perfect opportunity to do so. They also have these Blessed boosters out, which I've been taking the de-bloat and gut fix. This is so good around the holiday season because, girl, I've been eating a lot of carbs, a lot of sodium, and that just naturally makes you bloat. But why I like this so far, which I want to do a whole video once I finish the whole bottle, just my thoughts on it, is it has apple cider vinegar and aloe vera in it. So we all know that apple cider vinegar is such a good probiotic for good gut health and making us have just good digestion. So for me, I've been seeing really good things about this, so I'm definitely gonna be sure to take this today. And I also really enjoy their Skin Glow. This has collagen in it as well as vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. So I think my skin's been doing really well too, and it might be because of this. So if you guys are interested in me doing like a whole video review once I finish the whole bottle, then I'd be happy to do like my final thoughts on it. But I'm loving these boosters so far. So you can do another bundle on this site where you pick, I believe it's 2 boosters and a protein. Or is it 1 booster, 1 protein? Girl, I don't know. Basically, the more you get, the more you save. Being bad, he's just being bad. But what I wanted to tell you guys is why I like Blessed Protein so much. It's because it's vegan and it's pea protein based. It also helps me hit my protein goals when I'm trying to get thick. That's my own personal goal, as you guys know, and there's no way I'm gonna get my protein, honestly, if I don't have a shake in my day. So I always do 2 scoops of my Blessed Protein, and it doesn't have that like chalky taste. It blends so well, even just in a shaker bottle and my oat milk. So the blendability is amazing. I like that it's a vegan protein because I don't get gassy, I don't get cramps in my stomach, I don't get bloated, and it just goes down easy. Like the flavors are so tasty. They have like 10 flavors on the website, so I'm sure you guys are gonna find one that you guys like the best. But these are just my favorite recommendations. I guess I'm more on the dessert style side versus like the fruity spectrum. I do like the chocolate ones too, like s'mores. It's very subtle chocolatey, but it has like a graham cracker undertone, and it just it is my dessert. I look forward to it at the end of the day. So if you struggle with hitting your protein, or you struggle with seeing results, like you're in the gym all the time but you're not getting the gains that you want, you know, maybe it's because you're not necessarily hitting your protein intake, and that's where protein powder just comes in for me personally. It has been the biggest thing, especially when you are consistent. Consistency is everything. So if you're not consistent with your diet, you're not consistent with your workouts, you're not really gonna see the results that you want. So it wasn't until I really started to pay attention to my protein every day that I actually started to see the results that I wanted to see a lot quicker. So that's why I like supplements, is they really help me get those things that I don't get through diet alone. And it's vegan, so I don't feel gross eating a whole bunch of like animal meat all the time or animal products all the time. It's just a lot lighter on my digestion personally, and it also has amino acids, so it helps me with my muscle recovery. I don't feel so sore going to the gym the next day after lifting 305 pounds on my hip thrust, right? So it just helps me out in so many ways. And it's also dairy free, gluten free, and soy free. Y'all know I'm trying to be more soy free, so I love that for me. And I like the brand, packaging, everything is amazing. So that's why I rock with Blessed so hard, and it's why I've used them for almost 2 years on my own fitness journey, and it's why I'm recommending it to you guys here if you struggle with finding a protein that actually tastes good. And for those of you dolls that are interested in a hair vitamin, Blessed also has a booster for you. This does have biotin in it, and it also has kelp in it. Natural bamboo extracts. So for those of you that are looking for healthier hair, growing longer hair, this might be something that you'll want to try out as well during this Black Friday sale. And those of you guys that know me and keep up with me, especially on Instagram when I'm in the gym, you guys know that I'm obsessed with the EHP Labs creatine, their Crea 8. This has 100 servings in it. And then also the Oxy Shred. Right now I'm really liking the gummy snake flavor. It has a very like tangerine juice flavor, to me at least. So these two I mixed together before the gym. So if you guys have been seeing me talk about this all the time and you've been interested to try it out, now would be a perfect time to snatch these products as well while they're also on sale.